Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome once again to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way. No grammar drills, no boring lectures, no long videos full of distractions. All you have to do is listen carefully and watch the video several times. Let's get started. Today's topic is about one of the most peaceful and interesting international relationships in the world, the connection between the United States and Canada. Are they truly the best neighbors, or is there a secret rivalry between them? The US and Canada share the longest undefended border in the world, stretching over 5,500 miles. Every day, thousands of people and goods cross back and forth. They speak the same language, well, mostly, and they enjoy similar lifestyles. From hockey and football to fast food chains and Hollywood movies, both countries share a lot. But what makes them close, and where do they differ? Historically, the two countries have been allies for over 200 years. They've worked together during world wars, helped each other during crises, and supported each other in global institutions like the United Nations and NATO. They trade billions of dollars in goods and services every year, and many people from both nations travel freely between them. But there are differences too. Canada has a parliamentary system and a monarch, while the US has a president. Canada is known for universal health care, while the US system is more private. Canadians often say they are more polite, and Americans are more individualistic. These cultural differences, while small, sometimes spark friendly jokes and comparisons. In terms of rivalry, sports often bring out competition. Think of hockey matches between the US and Canada. They're legendary. There's also a bit of national pride in things like who has the better food, who's more environmentally friendly, or who has the better quality of life. But none of these rivalries are serious. At the end of the day, the two countries stand together as strong partners. So, are they best neighbors or secret rivals? The answer is both. Their differences make them unique, but their cooperation makes them strong. They are a model for peaceful coexistence between nations with different systems and values, but shared goals. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've made it to the end, you're already improving your English and cultural knowledge. Be sure to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video that will help you review and master this topic. And please, like and share the video. It really helps us grow and bring you more amazing content. See you in the next adventure.